This needs to die. The iPhone 14 Pro is the greatest iPhone that Apple offers, but do you know that one feature on this phone is super outdated? The lightning port on the iPhone is officially the biggest bottlenecker of the century. Yes, apparently the iPhone 14 series are using USB 2.0 transfer speeds, which is about 10 times slower than the USB 3.1 standard that we see on most smartphones like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Imagine transferring those 48 megapixel images and those high quality 4K videos using the cable. Now Apple is pushing people to use the over-the-air solutions, for example AirDrop, which is great if you're transferring stuff to a MacBook, but imagine transferring stuff to a Windows laptop, or for some reason if you ever need a cable to transfer things, then you make sure that you have a bottle of NyQuil with you, because you're gonna have to sleep for that transfer to be done because it's going to be that long. This is embarrassing to see on a flagship phone that costs $1,200 in 2022, and it definitely needs to die, and it will die as we're going to see USB-C on the iPhone 15 series. Speaking of iPhone 15 lineup, as you guys know, leaks, they never stop, and Apple, they never stop to piss people off. According to Ross Young, Dynamic Island is coming to all iPhone 15 models, but Apple is still not bringing 120Hz refresh rate to the non-Pro iPhone 15 models. What? Yes, apparently Apple sees the Pro Motion as a Pro iPhone feature, meaning they might not bring this to the non-Pro iPhones even in 2023. Imagine buying a $1,000 phone in 2023 with a 60Hz display. It is crazy. I really hope that they change their plans moving in the future, because we're still about a year away from the iPhone 15 series. Also, in other leaks, Apple is looking to make the iPhone Pro Max model even better than the standard Pro, and they might actually call it Ultra, which means the next year's Pro Max model might be iPhone 15 Ultra. I don't care what they call it, but it needs to have faster USB speeds, especially the end of Lightning port with a faster USB-C port. Once again, big thanks to European Union for finally crippling Apple and forcing them to adopt USB-C, which is the best thing for environment. I'm pretty sure Tim Cook is going to take all the credit by saying, oh, we're doing this for the environment, but if they don't do it, they won't be allowed to sell iPhones in the whole of Europe, which will be bad thing for the business. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.